Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by freeing obvious transient data. Open File Explorer, right-click C, and check Properties to see free space. Once done, launch Disk Cleanup and choose Cleanup System Files. This removes Windows Update caches and temporary installer files. Make sure to select Recycle Bin and Temporary Files. Also create a restore point so you can revert if settings change. These are fast, safe wins that reduce clutter immediately and prepare you for deeper cleanup steps. You now attack installed applications and big files. Open Settings, go to Apps, sort by size, and uninstall programs you no longer use. Once done, use File Explorer or a disk analyzer to locate folders with the largest space usage. Drill into downloads, videos, and app data. Move or delete media and installers. Transfer rarely used files to an external drive or cloud storage to reclaim gigabytes. Make sure to empty the recycle bin after deletions so space is actually recovered. You finish by automating and optimizing. Enable Storage Sense or set scheduled cleanups so temporary files don't pile up again. Once done, consider disabling hibernation if you don't use it. That removes the large hyperfill. Sysfile. Then optimize drives, defragment hard drives or run trim on SSDs, and clear browser caches and system temp folders one last time. If something goes wrong, use the restore point you created to undo changes quickly and avoid accidental data loss.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.